Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Pro for beginners. Canva Pro elevates your design experience with powerful features. You gain access to over 100 million premium stock photos, videos, and audio. Plus, there are more than 600,000 premium templates available for every project. You also get 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, ensuring all your designs are safely stored and easily accessible. It's perfect for creating professional quality visuals quickly and efficiently. Canva Pro provides powerful tools to streamline your design process. The Brand Kit ensures brand consistency across all your creations by saving your specific colors, fonts, and logos. Magic Resize is a huge time saver, letting you instantly adapt designs for various platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Plus, the Background Remover tool makes editing images incredibly simple, giving your visuals a professional edge. Canva Pro makes teamwork seamless and efficient. You can invite team members to collaborate on designs in real time, fostering a productive environment. Organize all your projects into unlimited folders, ensuring everything is easy to find and manage. Sharing designs and templates across your team is straightforward, helping maintain a consistent brand image. You also have full control over permissions, deciding who can view or edit your work. Maximizing your workflow with Canva Pro is simple and effective. You gain access to an extensive library of premium fonts and graphic elements, elevating your design quality. Download designs with transparent backgrounds, which is ideal for professional presentations or website graphics. Creating custom templates for recurring projects saves you significant time and ensures consistency. Plus, priority customer support is always available to assist you, making your design journey smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.